So my favorite thing about MaintainX is the ability to toggle views amongst work orders. The way that helps facilitate priority depending on work orders that are coming in, requests, what's completed, what's overdue. It gives me a much broader view of what's happening at that location per week, right? And per month, whatever the case is, depending on where you're at.
It's friendly and easy to use. The interface is very engaging and interactive. It's almost a little bit fun, like, the way it sort of responds and interacts.
Being able for me to go out to the warehouse and scan the thing or just bring it up on my computer and say, we have 5 in stock, go out there, scan the box and it matches. And I just pull it and put it in a box and ship it out overnight.
I think my favorite feature so far is the report builder. I've dove pretty deep into the report builder and really liked what I've seen so far in the customizability of everything and scheduled reports, and that's super important to our team.
My favorite feature with MaintainX right now is the procedures. We could really dial into what we want our maintenance techs to check and hold them accountable. It makes them add pictures if we want, and we can really check their work on a global scale, and it really holds them accountable and gets us ahead of our PM schedules.
So my favorite feature of MaintainX is using your phones. That is, being a maintenance technician, you're out and you may be there at a piece of equipment or something else and you said, hey, when did we work on this last time? I can look that information up right there and then.